Are you exploring the idea of downsizing, but you're really concerned? Am I going to be able to find the property? Is it going to have the space? Will my family be able to visit and we won't feel tight? Well, we have you covered here at this property. We have a 3,700 square foot property, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. You've got your living room, family room here, and another downstairs, both with a fireplace. You've got an eat-in kitchen. You've got a sunroom. You have a 2-car garage, plenty of storage, plus you don't have to worry about lawn and snow. Welcome to 128 Colonial Court in State College.